Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation Hobby Shop. Quick review and testing lang tayo ng unit ni Ma'am Carla. Okay, Glock 23. Okay, Glock 23, WE Glock 23. Fire mode, semi and full automatic. So this is the switch for semi and full automatic. And this is the switch for semi and full automatic. Full automatic, semi-automatic. Ayan, Glock 23 Gen 4. Ayan, Glock 23 Gen 4. Okay. So, ayan yung unit. So, lagyan natin ng gas, tsaka bibis. Lagyan natin ng gas. Katong segundo lang. Okay. What's in the box? Ito may kasama siyang backstrap. Dalawang backstrap. Yung pin. Owner's manual. Meron na rin siyang kasamang gas. Standard power. Number 12. At meron na rin siyang kasamang BBs 4,000 shots. Okay, so ayan, magte-testing tayo ng unit ni Ma'am Carla. Glock 23 ng WE. Okay. Okay, now magte-test fire tayo. Glock 23. Ayan, check natin. Ayan, may BBs na siya, may gas na rin. Okay. Semi-automatic muna tayo. Firing. Op. And then full automatic. Iba mo lang yung switch. Oops. Wala ng bala. Ayan, nilagyan ko ulit guys ng bala kasi naubusan ng bala. Nabitin tayo sa full automatic. Yung full automatic, isa na lang pala yung bala. So, ayan. Lamihan natin, no? So, yung semi-automatic. So, ngayon, nakalock siya kanina, diba? So, pasok natin. Hatak mo lang, release. Then, balik natin semi muna, no? Ayan, semi muna tayo. Ayan yung semi. Then, full automatic. Baba mo lang to. Ayan, firing. So, yun yung full automatic, rapid firing. Isang kalabit lang yun, then tuloy-tuloy yun. Rapid firing yun. Balik lang natin sa semi, yung switch. Ayan. So, nag-open slide siya ulit. Wala nang bala ulit yan. Ayan. Pero may gas pa yan. Matigas pa yung bulb. Ayan. Gawin mo lang, hatak mo lang to, then release. Ayan, hammer down. Okay? Okay, so ito na po ang unit ni boss, ni Ma'am Carla. Okay, Ma'am Carla. Glock 23 Gen 4 semi and full automatic. Okay, so ayan. Unit niyo po, Glock 23 Gen 4. If may question, message lamang sa aming page, 5th generation Hobby Shop. Yung 5th po ay FIFTH. Okay, so mag-message lamang po kayo and kung mayroon pa po kayong katanungan. Okay, thank you po and have a nice day.